why we should wear masks. Nothing but the truth. History teaches us that humanity evolves significantly only where it is truly scared. L'histoire nous apprend que l'humanité n'évolue significativement que lorsqu'elle a vraiment peur. Thus does the French economist Jacques Attali open a 2009 statement inviting a small pandemic as key factor to the consolidation of a world government. Today, masks remind us that we are supposed to be living in a state of emergency, indeed a global one. In such a state, all legal constitutions are bracketed so as to allow us to face unprecedented dangers. Legal certainties fail to manage danger, leaving entire populations under the sway of fear. Hence, the quasi-providential rise of castes of authoritative fear managers. Now, among the tools our fear managers have at their disposal, we find masks, without which people are supposed to be as naked before danger as Adam is before the truth he had sought outside of the garden of divine goodness. Masks are for us what a fig leaf is for Adam. Yet, we do not make our own masks, nor did we dare taste a forbidden fruit ourselves. Our own experience of the unknown, as well as of fear, is strategically mediated. As modern people, we live, as it were, in a modern bubble. Now, within this bubble of modernity, we are told to wear masks in the interests of the collectivity. Wearing masks in the public sphere seems to be bound to the common good. The common good seems to depend upon it. Now, this is entirely true if, and only if, the common good consists in the consolidation of a world government, which is to say, a government beyond political enclosures, and thus a government based on principles open to continuous revision or transaction. Principles are to be understood in strictly mercantile terms. The new mercantile government requires, however, the development of technology as a means to transform all that is given, nature, into what in Hegelian terms is purely spiritual. Only thus can our past usher, through a historical progressive alchemic process, into what for Marx is a new realm of freedom, marking the consummate justification of all sacrifices, or, as an old moralist might say, of all evil.